So guys, good evening all. Again, this is Manoj from Facebook. So around 120 students have joined. So let us wait for another 5 more minutes and then we can start our session. So before that, let me confirm that within my voice is audible, right? Can I get a quick yes or no reply? Yes. Thank you, Jayant. Thank you guys. Thank you, Meenakshi, Gopi. Okay, everyone are there. Guys, if you are raising your hands, no worries. Like put the questions in question box. Okay. And hope my screen is also visible, right? Okay, super. Okay, so guys, very simple. We are going to start from this class where we left. Okay, so I already said that if you have any questions, you can post it over there. So today we are not going to wait for anyone. So like already time is that's 34. Okay, we can wait for 2 minutes and then we can go for our topics because if we are waiting till 40 at all, it will waste our time. Okay. Guys, if somehow if you are unable to hear my voice or if my screen is not visible, that's what kindly put it in the question box. Okay, because it's happened. That's the reason. Okay, this happened and it made a very big trouble, right? That's why. So today we are going to continue with butterfly method. Or before that, do you have any questions or queries in the last class? Do you have any questions or queries in the last class? No. I know, Meenakshi, you will be saying no, but you are supposed to ask with everyone, right? Others, no. Okay, Priya is also fine. Okay, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, so that means before starting, let me say the context setting for today's class. So today's class we will be learning butterfly method, which we left yesterday, and then we'll be learning another method which is called as inception method, and we will be learning how to find cube values. In last class, we didn't learn about what is cube values at all, right? But in this class, how to find cube values, we'll be finding. We can find it using 3 or 4 methods, and we'll be learning that also. If somehow, if we have time, I will teach you like how to find a perfect square number or how to find a perfect cube number. So that also I will teach if we have time. Okay. Or if you want, in whichever order you want, you can ask me. I will teach it in that way. In which order you are comfortable, you can ask it in that way. I will teach you accordingly, guys. Or I can go with the same thing. So what we can do? Put in the question box. We can proceed. Okay, fine. Okay. So then we can start with butterfly method. Okay. So do you have any doubt in square root and cube root? Do you people have any doubt in square root and cube root? If yes or no, put it in the question box. No. Others, what about others? Divya, okay, you're also there. Okay, around 200 have joined the class. Okay, fine. So I hope you all are clear in yesterday's class, which is nothing but square root and cube root. So we can start with butterfly method. So butterfly method is a very simple. So guys, listen, I'm gonna give you one question. So it's 16 by 19, and you have another number, which is 17 divided by 22. So now my question is very simple. Now you're supposed to find which number is greatest number. 16 by 9 is great, 19 is greatest number, or 17 by 22 is greatest number. In this, which number is greatest number? If I ask this question, what you will do? You will be start dividing this. So if you are dividing 16 by 19, you will get approximately you'll get 0.8, and it will be going on. And if you're dividing 17 by 22, then again you'll be getting 0.718. So you'll get a 0. Yeah, same 7. You'll get 170 means, so you can get 20. So 22 into, like, if you're doing, so we'll get around 154. Okay, we'll get 154, so which is nothing but 7. So now we got this. This is 16 by 19 is the greatest number, right? So we'll be writing 17 by 22 is smaller than 16 by 19, right? Sorry, I wrote it in the wrong. So I'll be writing this. Okay, fine. So this is how we'll be writing it, right? But but if we are doing it this way, it will take lots of time to calculate. Yes or no? If I'm doing it this way, it will take lots of time to calculate. I have to divide them, and then it will take lots of time to calculate. For that, we are going to learn a method which is called as butterfly method. It's very simple. So first, you're supposed to multiply this numerator with this denominator, and this numerator with this denominator, which is nothing but, first you'll do 16 into 22 and 17 into 19. So if you're multiplying these two values, so you can do it in SAR method. So 16 into 20 plus 2. 16 into 20 plus 2. You can do it in SAR method, and here you can do 20 minus 1, and so you'll be getting it right. So 11400, then you will get this minus. If you're minusing it, 140 minus, again you're subtracting that. Okay, you will get here it as 323. Okay, then 22 if you're multiplying with 16, so if you'll get 300 again 2 times, so 3 4, and okay, so 352. So you'll get 16 cross 22 is 352, and 17 cross 19 is 323. Now I'm taking this as A, and sorry, I'm taking this as A, and this as B. Okay, so now my condition is, if A fraction is greater than B, sorry, if A is greater than B, first fraction is greater. First fraction is greater. If A fraction is smaller than B, second fraction is greater. Okay, so this is the condition. If A is greater than B, first fraction is greater. If A is smaller than B, then second fraction will be the greatest. Okay, so now this is what our condition. So now let us check with our conditions. So let us check with our condition. So now here it is 352, and here it is 323. So now A is greater than B, or B is greater than A? A is greater than B. So that means, as per my condition, first fraction is the greatest one. So it's nothing but 17 by 22 is smaller than 16 by 19. So now I got which is greater and which is smaller, right? So is this method is easy or hard? Then this method is easy or hard? How you people are feeling this? Whether it is easy or hard? Easy. Okay, yes, really, this method is very easy when you get through two-digit numbers. When you get two-digit number, this is really easy. When you're going for three-digit number, it will take some time to multiply, right? It will take some time to multiply. So for three-digit number, we'll learn another one, another number, and I mean another method. Okay. So now I hope you all are clear in this method, right? So yes or no? Do you want to solve another question, or you people are ready to solve questions? Another question. Okay. So let me solve another question. So can I erase the board? Yes. Okay, fine. So this is a simple one. Let me solve with three numbers. I mean three fractions, so that you can understand in a better way, right? So here I gave only two things and I asked which is the greatest one. So now let me ask another kind of question. So now let us take another number. So 11 by 15, comma 21 by 26, comma 14 by 17. So now we are supposed to find which is greatest number, or they are asking us to write it in ascending order. Okay. Now they are asking us to write it in ascending order. If they are asking when they are giving three, four, five digits also, what we can do is we can take one by one. So I'm gonna compare first. First, this two fraction I'm gonna compare. From this, I'll be taking which is greater one or smaller, which is smaller or greater. That is your wish. Whichever is you want, you can take that number. Okay. So now after this, I'll be taking greatest number. So after taking greatest number, I'll be comparing that fraction with the new fraction. Okay, that is what my steps. Okay, so now first step we are going to compare first two fractions, which is 11 by 15, comma 21 by 26. First step is A is equal to 11 into 26 and B is equal to 21 cross 15. Right. Yes, sir. So now, hope you all got this right. So next step, I'm supposed to multiply them. So 11 into 26, I'll be getting 286, and 21 into 15 again. SAR method. So one time, so 200, sorry, 300, 300 plus 15, so 315. Okay. So I have multiplied these two numbers. So now, which is greatest when? So A is greater or B is greater? So B is greater. So that means second fraction is the greatest fraction. Right. Now second fraction is the greatest fraction because B is greater. If B is greater, then my second fraction is the greatest number. So now I got this 11 by 15 is smaller than 21 by 26. First thing I have confirmed. So now I'm going to compare this 21 by 26 with 11 by 17. I'm going to compare this two. Okay, I'm going to compare these two numbers now. So when I'm comparing these two numbers, let us see what is going to be my answer. Again, you can write it as in A, B or whatever you want, you can write it there. So that is secondary, but our answer is needed to be the right answer. Okay. So now first I'll be multiplying 21 into 17. Then I'll be multiplying 26 cross 14, right? So I'll be multiplying these two numbers. So if I multiply 21 into 17 again, 300, 340, 340 plus 17, I'll be getting 357. 340 plus 17 is 357. Then again 26 into 14. So this number is a little bit hard because I can't split them easily. So I can split this as 10 plus 4. I can write it as 10 plus 4. That will be easy. So 260 plus, so minus 260. So we'll see, 260 plus I have to do 104. 260, 104, I'll be getting 364. So 364. So now when I'm comparing these two things, which is greatest when? B is again greater. So if B is greater, then second fraction, which is 14 by 17 is greatest one. So now I got the fraction. So first I have 11 by 15 is smaller than 21 by 26 and 21 by 26 is smaller than 14 by 17. So now this is my order. So see how easy it is. So the thing is I have to multiply them. That's the thing you have to do it. See, I have did all saw method. See, I here did saw method. 340 plus 1756. So again here 260 plus 104. I got 364. See, you're supposed to use the SAR method properly. If you are using it properly, then you can get this answer faster. Sir, I joined late, so would you please start again? Okay, so hope you all got this method, right? Guys, any doubt in this method? You people are ready to solve this question or what? Are you clear in this method? Yes or no? Can I get a quick reply? Reply. Yes. Okay, I have seen another message which is, sir, I joined late, so you teach this part again. Okay, I will teach this once again. If someone asks again. So, guys, any other doubts? Anyone else? No doubt. Clear. Sanjay. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, so let me teach a little bit faster so you can understand once again. So I'm saying the ideology again. So first they have given three fractions. If I wanted to, okay, I think for this fraction, so try to check this out. So if I do 11 by 15 in fraction, if I divide them and if I calculate, I will be getting 1.7, I think, right? I will be getting 1.7 or something. I'll get 0.7. 0.7 I'll be getting there. And if I divide 21 by 26, then again 21 by 26 or 210, so 6, 7, 8 times. So I'll be getting 0.8. And then next number is 14 divided by 17. So it's just nothing but 140. 140 means 17, 7 times. So sorry, 8 times. 8 times. So which is nothing but 14 by 17. Again, I'll be getting 0.8. See here both are same. See here, this 0.7, here it is 0.8, and here it is 0.8. Definitely the next upcoming number will be different. Upcoming number is different, but see when I'm dividing this, I'm getting a little bit hard to calculate, right? That's the reason I'm doing this butterfly method. So this butterfly method is how I'll be using this method is very simple. Like first I'll be checking comparing any two fractions. I'm comparing first two fractions. So if I compare first two fraction, I'm supposed to multiply 11 into 26 and then 21 into 15. I'm supposed to find value, which value is greater. So I'm supposed to compare these two things. I'm taking this as A and I'm taking this as B. When I'm multiplying these two values, I'll be getting here 256, sorry, 286, right? 286. Here is 315. Okay. So see here it is B fraction is greater. If as per my condition, if A is less than B, second fraction is the greatest fraction. So that means second fraction is greater. So that means 21 by 26 is greater. Then I'm comparing greater fraction with the new number. So this 14 by 17. When I'm comparing 14 by 17, I'll be multiplying 21 into 17 and again 14 into 26. So I'll be multiplying these two values and I'll be multiplying these two values, right? So I'll be comparing these two values and I'll be multiplying them. So when I'm multiplying that two values, again I got B fraction as greater number. So again 14 by 17 will be the greatest number. So now I got this value. So I will be writing 11 by 15 is uh, 14 by 17 is greater than 21 by 26. 26 or 21 by 26 greater than 11 by 15. So this all I'll be finding it out. Okay. So let me give some for you people, so you people can solve some one or two questions, right? So you will be getting a clear idea. So now I will give one question. So my question is 52 divided by 27, come on, 33 by 17. Okay. Solve this question, give me the answer. So which fraction is greatest number? So solve this question. So 52 by 27 into, sorry, comma, 33 by 17. So find the value. Come on guys, make it fast. Find the answer, which is greatest one. 33 by 17 is greater. Okay, Udayamati have given first, then followed Meenakshi, Madhumita, superb, good. What about Guru Rohit, Sanjay? Okay, 33 by 17, 33 by 17. Okay, Lokesh, 33 by 17. Okay, V is greater. Praveen, okay, super. Okay, guys, fine. So your answer is right. So B is greater. But see again, see if I calculate for this number. So 520 divided by 27. If I do it in this way only, I can find the answer. So then I'll be getting 0.92 is 9. So okay, 33 means 330 divided by 17. If I do this, I'll be getting some value. So again here it is 0.33 means so 7 times 7 times, so sorry, 7 times 174, 9 times. So I think it is again 9. I think again it is 9 times. Okay, so see here, so again it is 0 0.9, 0 0.9. So both are like similar. So that means point value, second value will be like there will be some changes will be there. So see like how steps, how many things I'm supposed to do when I'm doing with normal calculation. So this is the reason. So we have some shortcuts. Okay. Fine, let me give a three-digit number. Are you people ready for three different numbers? Are you people ready for three different numbers? Can I give three different numbers? Yes. Okay, Divya. Okay, ready. Super. So I will give a small number. So 11 by 13, comma 14 by 17, comma 9 by 11. That's it. Find which is, I mean, I want it in ascending order. Ascending order, smallest to greatest. Okay, ascending order. Make it fast. Okay, 11 by 13, 9 by 17, and then 14 by 17. Okay. Or else write it in this way. I will give it in easy form. Like take this as A, take this as B, and take this as C. You can write if it is C is greater, then write it in this way. C, B, A like this. If whichever is greater, you can write it in this form. This will help you to write easily, right? You can type it in this form. This will be easy for you. I think you all are typing in smallest to greatest, right? I asked in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest, not greatest to smallest. I asked in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to greatest, right? Then try to understand the question, guys. I clearly asked that you're supposed to write it in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to greatest, right? Then what is this? So calculate it in a proper way, guys, because you are supposed to understand the question properly. If you're not understanding properly, then it will take lots of time to calculate. Or can I do this question in the board or not required? Can I do this or not required? If you want, if you want me to do this question, you can put it in the question box. Okay, Rohit. Okay, let me do this. Let me write the steps. You can give me the answers. Okay, I will write the steps. Okay. Okay, fine. From my first step, I'm taking any two things. So I'm taking 11 by 13, comma 14 by 17. So I'm multiplying 11 into 17 first and then 14 into 13. Find the values for these two things and say the value. So 11 into 17 and 14 into 13. Yeah, 11 into 17 is very simple, which I have thought, which is 11 multiple. You can write first number, last number, and add those two number, which is 8, which is very simple. So for second one, the 14 into 13. So just 182. Okay. So Guru is there. 182. Okay. Now, when I'm comparing these two, I know that first fraction is greatest, which is 11 by 13 is greatest fraction, and this is smallest one. Right. I came to know that this is greatest and this is smallest. Fine. So now we are going for next one. Now we are going for next question, next thing. So I'm comparing the smallest with this number. I'm comparing the smallest with this number. So it's nothing but 9 by 11. So I'm comparing 9 by 11 and sorry, 14 by 17 and 9 by 11. So which is nothing but 14 into 11 and 17 into 9. So what is value for 14 into 11? So 14 into 11, I'll be getting 154 and 17 into 9. So it is 153. 153. See, when I'm comparing these two values, okay, when I'm comparing these two values, see here which is greater. So 14 by 11. So which is nothing but second fraction. This is greatest fraction. See, first time when I'm comparing these two fraction, this was small. When I'm comparing this fraction, this was greatest number. So that means my order will be, so this is the smallest one, right? So first 9 by 11. Then I'll be having 14 by 17. Then I'll have 11 by 13. So these are the numbers which I'll have it over here, right? Sir, if 9 by 7 was greater than 14 by 17, then what should we do? Okay, 9 by, okay. If this is greater, no problem, then you can compare this once again. If you're comparing this number, then you will be finding out within these two which is greatest number, right? See now, if you're taking this number, okay, now you're saying this 14 by 17 is a smaller, greater number, so you can easily identify, sir, this is greater and this is smaller. If this number is greater, and here also I have greater, that means, first thing, this 14 by 17 is going to be my first value. Then I'll be comparing this 11 by 13 and 9 by 11, right? In this two value which is greater, that value will come second, and then next value will be coming next. Right. So this is how I'll be calculating this one. Okay. So hope you all clear in this, right? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this butterfly method, guys? If you have any doubt, you can put it in the question box. No doubt. Okay, super. Okay, guys, super. So let us go for next method. Okay. No, sir. Fatima, you are saying me to not go for next method? No doubt. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's go for inception method, and then we can go for how to find a cube number. Okay, next let us go for inception method. Because in the inception method, we will have three-digit numbers. When we have three-digit numbers, we will be using this inception method in order to find them. So hope you all know percentage, right? Percentage, percentages. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, super. So here we are going to use percentage method. Okay. In inception, we are going to use percentage method. How you can ask me? So see here, I'm going to give one number. So here I have 140 divided by 287, comma 291 divided by 530. Okay. So 140 divided by 287, comma 291 and 130, sorry, 550, 530, right? So now if I use butterfly method, can I find answer in a fastest way? If I use butterfly method, I'll be doing 291 into 2, sorry, first I'll be taking first fraction, right? So 140 into 530, and then I'll be multiplying 291 into 287. So hi Sajay. So in this case, if I want, I have to multiply these two, and then it is little bit hard to calculate, right? Yes or no? If I do it in this method, so it will take some time, right? Then I have to multiply this 3 cross 3 multiplication, and then I'm supposed to find value one by one. So this will take some time to find answer, right? This will take some time to find answer. Okay, for that we are going to use inception method. Before going to inception method, you are supposed to find what is the percentage of numerators and what is the percentage of denominators. This is the rule. So very simple. You are supposed to find what is the percentage of numerators and what is the percentage of denominators. That's it. If you're finding this, then this will be easy. If you're finding this, then you can find the answer easily. So if the increase in, so I will write the conditions here in the bottom. If the percentage increase in numerator, percentage increases in denominator, second fraction is greater, or else it is first fraction, else, or vice versa. Okay, or vice versa. Else we will have first fraction is greater. Okay, so can you understand this or not? If the percentage increase in numerator greater than denominator, second fraction is greatest. If else, first fraction will be greatest, which is nothing but if denominator is greater than numerator, then second fraction will be the So the first fraction will be the greatest. That is what they are trying to say in this condition. Okay. So now let us find what is the percentage increase or decrease. So how I can find percentage increase or decrease? So I'll be doing 29 1 divided minus 140 divided by initial value is 140 into 100. So next 530 minus 287 divided by 287 into 100. So you can ask me, sir, this is also very hard to calculate. Why you are doing like this? Yes, I can understand. So that is why we are going for approximation. Okay. We are not going to do it in this way. Don't worry. Okay. We are going to do it in approximation. So now see here, this is 114. If I do 142 times, if which is nothing but I will be getting 280, which is nothing but 100 percentage increase. 100 percentage increase. But here it is more than that. It is 280. It is more than 280. I'll be having 110 approximately. Approximately, we will have 110 percentage approximately. Okay. Now see here, it is 280 7. So 287 means then I'll have 287. If I have 100 percentage increase, then I'll have around 280. Then 574. I'll have 574 increase in percentage. If 100 percentage is increasing by 287, it should be I have 574. But here it is 530, but I have only 530, which means it is not increasing more than 100. It is less than 100 percentage. It has been increased, right? It has increased less than 100 percentage. I can write this is less than 100 percentage, approximately 85 percentage, approximately, right? Approximately it might be 80 percentage, but here I can clearly say that it is more than 100 percentage. Here it is less than 100 percentage. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? By seeing the question itself, I can say whether it is 100 percentage or like how much I can say it clearly, right? So first fraction, it is from numerator, it is like, so that is confusing, sir. Okay, confusing. If it is confusing, the thing is I'm not teaching it proper. I will teach it once again. Okay, I will come once again. Listen carefully. Always, if it is confusing or if it is not understandable, the person who is saying it is not clear. That's it. Yes, I will teach once again. Wait. So let me do it slowly. So then at least we can see at least it is understandable or not. Okay. So now guys, first thing I'm gonna compare this numerators and denominators. I'm gonna compare numerators and denominators. When I'm comparing this numerators, I'm gonna find a percentage. How much percentage this numerator is increasing or how much percentage this denominator is increasing. That is what I'm gonna find it out. So now see here, I'm going to see percentage increase or decrease change in percentage value. That's it. That is what I'm going to find here. So now see here, first in starting, let us go with this. In starting, it was 140. Now it increased to 291. So that means how many percentage this have increased? I don't know. I don't know. I'm supposed to find that percentage. So if I want to find how much percentage this have increased, so I have to use formula which is initial base value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. So this is what my formula in percentage increase or decrease. Okay. So when I'm calculating this, listen, when I'm calculating this, I'll be finding exactly how many percentage has been increased. I can identify that exactly how many percentage has been increased. So if I minus 291 minus 140, I'll get 115, right? So I'll get 115 divided by 140 into 100. So if I do this, I will have around 107, right? I will have around 1 point. So if I cancel them, I will be getting 107.8 percentage. Okay, I'll be having 107.8 percentage. Still there's any doubt? Still there's any doubt? Still this it is clear, right? Okay. Now, okay, still this no doubt. Fine. So still this no doubt. So now when I'm seeing this, when this 140 is being increased to 290, when how many percentage it is increased? So it is increased 107.8 percentage. It has been increased. Okay. When I'm comparing numerator, 140 is increased to 291. How many percentage? 107 percentage. Okay. Now I'm supposed to find second value. Now I'm supposed to find second thing, how many percentage it is been increased in denominator. So denominator again I'm supposed to calculate 287 530 minus 287 divided by 287, which is initial value, right? Okay, into 100. So how many it has been like from 280 to 530? How many percentage it is increased? From 287 to 530, how many percentage it is increased? That is what I'm supposed to find over here. So now I'm comparing this. So it is 100 if I am multiplying with 100. So if I minus this, I'll be getting 243. 243 I'll be getting here. Over here, I'll be getting 243. 243 divided by 287. 287. If I divide this, I'll be getting around 84 approximately. 84 point. Okay, I'll be getting approximately 84. Whether it is 84, can I get a quick reply whether it is 84 or not? Or can I get exact value? Okay, 84.6. Okay, fine. So 84.6. So now see here, I have find for both things. I have got for both the things. See, first fraction and first number 142, 291, it is increased 107.8 percentage, and 287 has been increased to 530. How many percentage? 84.6 percentage. Now, which percentage is higher? Numerator percentage is higher or denominator percentage is higher? Which percentage is higher, numerator or denominator? NR or DR? Numerator fraction, right? So numerator fraction is greater here. Okay. Now my numerator fraction is greater. So now see the condition. The percentage increase in numerator fraction is greater. So numerator is increase in denominator fraction. Second fraction is the greatest. Second fraction is the greatest. So that means which fraction is greatest when? So this is going to be my greatest one, which is 291 530 is greater than 140 by 287. What it or not? Clear in this or not? Can you understand or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So this is the actual process. Okay, this is the actual process. So step one. So actually, guys, listen. Actually, in the last time, I wrote this numerator and denominator approximately. I rate it as 110 percentage increase. And for this thing, I write approximately 80 percentage increase. Yes or no? I wrote approximately. Yes or no? I wrote approximately. So we are not supposed to find exact value. Exact value is not needed. Only approximate values are needed. So this is the thing now you have to understand. If you're going for exact value, then it will be like very hard. Then it will be very hard to calculate. If you are going with approximate value, then it will be easy to calculate and you can find the answer faster. Is it applicable to two digits, sir? Yes, it is applicable for two digit, but I would recommend you people not to do for two digit because if you're going for two digit, it will take some time. Because, for example, here it is given two different three-digit values are greater in the value. Here it is easy. When I have two digit, I can easily calculate for butterfly method, right? Just cross multiply them. Easily I can find the answer. When I have two digit, I know I can multiply two digit faster. So then why I have to waste my time in finding how many percentage it is? Whether it is both the near value, I'll be getting like 10 percentage, 12 percentage like that. Then it will be like more difficult to calculate them. So that's the reason I'm going with approximation. See, when I'm starting itself, I said this will be approximately, I said the value right, approximately I will be having 110% and here I will be having 80%. So let us see. So now, hope you are clear in this. I will teach you how to find approximate values now. Let me teach you how to find approximate here. How I said this approximately 180 and 80% and 1.10% and all. See here, getting approximation is more enough to find answer. Getting approximation is more enough to find answer. Now again, see here, 140 and it is increased to 291. So what is 100% of 140? 140 into 140 plus 140, I'll be getting 280. 100% of 140 is 280. So first have one and okay, 100% is 140. Then if I have how much percentage is increased? So again 100% if it increase another 100% only, I'll be getting 280. Right. But still see the number, it is 291. But still see the number, it is 291. But here I have only 280. That means I can say from 80 to 90, how much will be the difference? 10, 11 is my difference. So that means approximately 100% I'm getting 280. That means I'll be having another 10% or 8, 9% extra. I'll be having another 8, 9% or 10% extra. So which means I can say it's just okay, 100 per, okay, let us keep this 100% has been increased. 100%, more than 100%, right? More than 100% it has been increased. So now see for denominator fraction. So 287 and 530. So now 100% of 287. How much it will be? So it is nothing but 574. So 100% of 287 is 574, which is nothing but 287 plus 287. I'll be getting 574, which I'm nothing. I'm doing. I'm just adding them. I'm just adding them. That's it. Very simple. So 574. See here, 574. Very simple. So now check this number. So here in question they have given only 530, but I have 574. See here, I have in question I have 530, but when I'm increasing 100%, I'm getting 574. It is very high. It's very high when compared to that number. It is very high, right? So that means approximately I can say this. This is not increasing 100%. This is not increasing 100%. It is increasing less than 100%, right? It is increasing less than 100%. This is increasing more than 100%. Now, by seeing this itself, we can understand. See, here it is more than 100%, it is less than 100%. So now, as per our condition, you see the condition, if the percentage increase in numerator is greater than percentage increase in denominator fraction, second fraction is greater. So here it is more than 100%, it is less than 100%. So again, my answer is 291 divided by 530 is greater than 140 divided by 287. Can you understand or not? Can you understand, guys? Did you got it or not? How to find approximate answer? Yes or no? Did you got how can you apply this in approximation? Did you get this or not? Can I get a quick play? Yes or no? Hope my screen is visible, right? Because in audience view, I can't see my screen. That's the reason I'm asking. My screen is visible, right? Okay, can you please explain teach this once again, sir? Sure. Okay, guys, yes, 100% of 140 is 280, right? 100 per, not 100 per, it is increasing 100%. 100% of 140. If I'm taking 140 as 100%, then 280 will be 200%. Increase is 100%, right? Increase is 100%. Understand it? That's the reason I asked you like whether before starting the class, I asked you like whether you people know percentage or not. This is the main reason. Okay, someone have raised their hand. Let me check who it is. They have lowered their hand. Who it is? Can I know who it is? Okay, so I will teach this method once again. So listen carefully. Okay, uh, one second. Okay, now listen. I'm coming from start from the beginning once again. Okay, listen once. Let me change this pointer, or else I'll erase this and I'll write it once more. Okay, my first step, I'm supposed to see which numerator is percentage is increasing or denominator percentage is more. So first 140 and 291. So let me take this 140 as 100 percentage. Let me take 140 as 100 percentage. So if I wanted to find 200 percentage, 200 percentage means, so I'll have 280, right? I'll have 280. Yes or no? Yes. So I'll have 280, but given number is 291. That means it is increasing how many percentage? More than 100 percentage. 100 percentage, if this 140 increases with another 100 percentage, I will be getting 280. But here the number is 291. That means I can understand that this is increasing more than 100 percentage, right? This is increasing more than 100 percentage. It is increasing more than 100 percentage. Now, check for the second number. See second number, which is 287 and 530. Okay. Now see this. Let me take this 287 as 100 percentage. So what will be 200 percentage of 287? So 200 percentage of 287 is 574. Right. Now 574 is 200 percentage of 287. So now my given number is 530, but here I'm getting 574. See 574, here it is 530. That means you can understand that clearly. This number is not increasing 100 percentage. This is increasing less than 100 percentage. This is increasing less than 100 percentage. Can you understand? I got some question. One second. Yes, less than 100 percentage. Right. So now it is less than 100 percentage. Now, by seeing this, see the first thing. First fraction is increase. First numerator percentage is increasing more than 100 percentage, and in second thing, it is increasing less than 100 percentage. So that means, see the condition. If the percentage increase in numerator percentage is greater than increase in denominator, second fraction is greater. So here it is more than 100, here it is less than 100. That means automatically numerator is increasing more than denominator. That means my as per my condition, second fraction will be the greatest one, which is 291 divided by 530. So 291 is greater than 140 by 287. That's it. So still you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, no problem. Ask it in a way like where you have doubt. Still, if you have doubt, mention that where you have doubt. If you have any doubt, you can put in the question box. No, it's clear. Okay. So guys, somehow if you have any other doubt over there, mention where you have doubt. That's it. If you are mentioning where it is doubt, I will be coming with the clear-cut idea where to explain more. Mention that place, I can give a clear idea where you have, like, always, like, you can explain that particular place even more extra. Rohit, I think you're playing with me. I said that where you have doubt. If you have doubt, where mention the place where you have doubt. Particularly point out it. Point out it where you have doubt. Then only I can give explanation there more. Any doubt? Put it in the question box. I'm asking about doubts. If you have doubt, put it in the question box, or else you can mention it as no. So let me do another one. Some that's why. Already we don't have time. It's already 6:30. Understood. Others, what about others? No doubt, Divya. Okay. Please read the last three lines. Okay. If the percentage increase in numerator greater than percentage increase in denominator, second fraction is greater, else first fraction is greater. Okay, let me type it over there. Okay, let us go for another one. Okay, so my next question is 142 divided by 380, comma, or 432 divided by 795. Which one is greatest? Which one is greatest? The question. That's it. So now my first thing I'm gonna compare this to. So 100 percentage is equal to 100 percentage of 420. Okay, 100 percentage of 142. 100 percentage of 100 percentage is this one. Let me go for 200 percentage. So 200 percentage is 284. So let me go for 300 percentage. So 300 percentage, I will have 426. So 426, here it is 426, here it is 432. So approximately it is increasing by 300 percentage, approximately. Approximately, I can keep more than 300 percentage, it has been increased, right? So it's nothing but 200 percentage. I'm supposed to take it as 200 percentage, it is increasing. So 300 percentage is 426, but it is increasing 200 percentage. Okay. So now approximately I can say this 142 towards 432, it has been increasing approximately it has been increasing like 200%, more than 200% it is increasing. Okay. Now let us go for 380. Now let us go for 380. So 380. So 100% of 380 is 380. So now 200% of 380, I'll be getting around 760. 760. If I'm going for 300%, 140. So it is 1140. So it is going around 1140. So now see here, it is like automatically I can say this second denominator. Denominator has been increasing more than 100%, not more than 200%. Right. See here, 200% is around 760. Here it is 795, only 795. When I'm going for 300%, which is nothing but more than 200%, it will be like more than that number. So that means this approximately I can say this has been increasing this uh 380 towards 795. Approximately it has been increasing more than 100%, more than 100%. But here it is more than 200%. Right. Here it is more than 200% it is increasing, but here it is more than 100%. So which numerator is increasing more or denominator is increasing more? Which is increasing more? So which is increasing more? Denominator is increasing more or numerator is increasing more? Numerator. So numerator is increasing more. Right. So now what is my condition? If the percentage increase in numerator fraction, percentage increase in denominator fraction, second fraction is greatest. Second fraction is greatest. If else, first fraction will be greatest, right? So now which is going to be my answer? Second fraction is the greatest one. Okay, super. So already so much of you people have given your answers. Good. But the thing is, why I didn't reply for your question is because like some might not have any doubts, right? Some might have lots of doubt. That's the reason I solved it. Okay, but others are really super. Good. So hope you all got this right. Yes or no? Did you got this or not? Yes, sir, got it. Okay. So that means if you people got it, then fine. I thought you in that way. Okay, fine, super. Okay, let us go for next method. Okay, can I give one some and you people can try that question? Can I? If you people are ready to solve the question, I will give one some. Are you people are ready? Give me a quick reply. Yes. Okay. Divya is ready. What about others? Ready? Others? Only two people are ready to solve this question. Go on, ready, sir. Oh my God. Super. Right. Okay, fine. So let me write the question over here. Okay. Fine. So your question is 389 divided by 150, 1234 divided by 737. Okay, so that's it. So you are supposed to find which fraction is greatest fraction. Come on, solve this question and give me the answer. Okay, super. We have already started solving. Super. Good. First fraction. Okay, let us check. Okay, fine. So let us do another one thing. Can I give another one more sum? Okay, Nimisha have given clear explanation. Okay, good. Okay, now let me give like exam question. Like you will be feeling it right. During class time we have one question, and in test we will have another question, and in exam we will have totally different question, right? So let me give that kind of question now. So 130, 1074, and 920, and 850. Solve this question. Don't use your calculator. Don't use your calculator. Solve it by yourself. After that, I will teach you shortcut method. Okay. After this, I will teach you a shortcut method. Now solve it without using calculator. Let us see who can solve this. If your the brain is working actively or not, can check it out. Can check it out. Solve it out. Okay. Second fraction probably. Okay. Then what else? Okay. So again, first fraction is greatest. Okay. Fine. Okay, so guys, it's not that much complicated at all. Can I solve this question, or still you want time to think? If you want time to think, no problem. I will give another 2 minutes, and then I will solve this question. First fraction is greater. Okay, then Okay, second is smaller. Okay, fine. So now let me teach you a little bit easy one. So how you can understand this question? So I will solve it in a little bit easy one because see this. First of all, I'm going to change this places. First of all, I'm going to interchange this places because see this. It is like when I'm comparing, it is going to be decrease, bro. So I'm going to change this places for my convenience. For my convenience. Okay. So 1074 divided by 850. So if you are going to check with the decrease also, the decrease should be more. If decrease is more, then your answer will be same. There also you can do it, but for your understanding, I'm doing in this way. So I'm solving this and I'm changing the places. So now I have changed these places, right? So after changing these places, I'm gonna find like how much percentage is increasing from this to this. Okay, I'm solving it here. Listen. So I'm going to check this from 1074 to increase to 230. How much it has been increased? So this is my first thing I'm going to check here. So which is nothing but I can find I'll be using formula, right? I'm writing in formula like which is 1230 minus 1074 divided by 1074 into 100, right? So if I minus them, I'll be getting around 150, 56. Yes, 56. So 156. So 156 my answer when I'm minusing these two values. So see here. So now I'm gonna find how much is exactly, not exactly, approximately how much percentage it is. So now I'm gonna compare this 156 is how much percentage of this 170. Can you understand? Can you understand or not? I'm going to compare this 156. How many percentage of this 1074? How many it is? That is what I'm going to compare now. So that is what I'm going to compare right now. Okay. So 10 percentage of 10. Okay, 10 percentage of 1074 can be 10. I'm writing 10 percentage. 10 percentage of 1074 is equal to 107.4, right? 107.4. Is there no 10 percentage of 1074 is 10 107.4. Is there no? Can I get a quick reply? Yes or no? Because you are in my track. That's the reason I'm asking yes or no. If you're not in my track, it will be not understanding. So you can't understand it. Are you people are in my track? Can you understand this step? Yes or no? Okay, you people are in my track. Super. Fine. So now I can understand that. So which is 10 percentage of 1074 is 107.4. Now here the number is 156. Here the number is 156. So that means can I say approximately 15 percentage? So I can say another 5 more percent. If it is 5 percentage extra, then I'll be adding another 53.5 extra, right? I'll be adding another 53.5. If I add approximately, I'll be getting 53.5. If I add this 53.5, I'll be getting more than this value. So I can write approximately. So here it is 10 percentage. Again, if I add 53, sorry, if I add 53.25 and etc., I'll be getting exactly same value. But so now if I add this, so I'm getting approximately 59, 50, 60. I'm getting approximately 60, 160, approximately 160 per 160, which is nothing but 15 percentage, which is 15 percentage, right? 160, which is 15 percentage. Now I got one thing. So let me say this 1074 to 1230. I'm saying this, it is increasing around 15 percentage, approximately 15 percentage. It is increasing. Can you understand? This approximately it is increasing 15 percentage. Now I'm going to calculate for second thing. I'm going to calculate for second thing, which is 182, sorry, 852, 920, 852, 920. Now I'm going to calculate for 852, 920. Now I'm checking for 852, 920. So again, 920 minus 850 divided by 850 into 100. Yes, fine. So now what is the difference here? Difference over here is 70, right? 70. Difference over is 70. So how many percentage of Okay, now 850, in 850, 10% is how much? In 850, 10% is 85. Yes or no? Are you clear? Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this step? Can I get a quick reply? Any doubt in this step? No doubt. Okay, super. So here it is approximately it has been increased like almost it is 70%. It is 70. Here it is 85. I'm getting more than that. So it will be like around again if I minus another 1%, it will be approximately like 8% or 9%. Approximately it will be 8 or 9%, right? But I can write this approximately 10 itself because the numerators it has been increased like 15%. Here it is only 10, right? Even if I go approximation also, it is 10. Here it is 15. Yes or no? So that means which fraction is so numerator is more greater than denominator. Yes or no? Percentage. Numerator percentage is more than denominator percentage. Which fraction is greatest when second fraction? So here which is second fraction? Here second fraction is 1230 divided by 930 second fraction. So this will be the greatest one. Can you understand? Yes or no? Any doubt in this method? Any doubt in this method? Can I get a quick reply? Yes or no? I made the same thing, same step, but I made it a little bit easy. That's it. I made it a little bit easy. That's it. So any doubt in this method? No doubt. Okay, super. I'll just erase this. Okay. Okay, fine. So before that, I will give three. Okay, I will give 3 minutes. Okay. Sir, that 15 percentage, how it is come. Okay. So 15 percentage. One second, let me write the question. 1230 divided by 920, comma 1074 divided by 850. Okay, fine. So now you are asking me how I got the 15 percentage. It is very simple. So 1230 and 174, sorry, 1074. So when I'm comparing these two number, I'm interchanging the places. Okay, I'm just interchanging the places so that I can easily calculate whether it is increasing, how much is increasing or decreasing, right? So I'm interchanging the places. So 1230. Okay. So now when I'm checking this, so here it is only like around the 154 has been increased, right? Only 156, 156 has been increased. So from this number to this number, how much has been increased? 156 has been increased. So this 156 is how many percentage? This 156 is how many percentage of 1074? That is what I'm gonna find it. That is what I'm gonna find it. Okay, so 10 percentage of 1074 is how much? 10 percentage of 1074. 10 percentage of 1074 is uh, nothing but 107.4, right? So that means 5 percentage of that value will be 5 percentage will be half of 10 percentage. It will be half of 10 percentage, right? Half of 10 percentage, I can write 53, 53.5. Okay, I will be adding 53.5 extra, 53.5 extra. So if I add this 9 point, so again 10, 0, 1, so 6 and 1. So see here, approximately 15 percentage is how much? It is 160. So 15 percentage of 1074 is equal to 160.9 approximately. So 160 and 156 both are near values. So I'm saying this is increasing approximately 15 percentage. Can you understand? I'm writing this approximately. This is increasing 15 percentage. Exactly, it is increasing by 15 per like exactly. If you're going, it will be like increasing like 14 point 13.28 or something. It will be there. Okay. So approximately it is 15, nearly right. So that is how I got this 15 percentage. Okay. Any doubt? Any other doubt, guys? Padma, did you got it or I have to explain entire sum? Fatima, did you got it or I have to explain entire sum? Got it. Okay, super. Okay, so I can understand that it is quite little bit complicated, but once if you understand this, it will be easy. Once if you understand the method properly, it is easy. So I will give 5 minutes. So it is 6:55. I will give 5 minutes. Just go through the sum which I have given. Just go through the sum for 5 minutes. Okay, just 5 minutes. Go through it because if you forgot once, then you will. I know that clearly you will not take this notebook again outside. Tomorrow evening only you'll be taking this outside, right? So go through this once. So because this is quite complicated, but if you are learning this, it is really easy and it will help you to find the answers in a faster way. Really. See, you can understand that you have tried the sums also. You can understand that easily. So if you're trying it, if you're learning it, so it will be easy. So I'll give 5 minutes. So just give it a recall. Give a recall for butterfly and as well as inception method. Just give a recall for both the methods. Do it by yourself. Let me give 5 minutes. Okay, let me write what is the, like for example, let me write the conditions over there. Okay, let me write conditions over there. So I'm taking some approximate values. I'm taking it in ABC manner. Okay, butterfly method first. First, I'm writing for butterfly. So A by B, comma B by, or else not B by C. It is the C by D. C by D. So I'm supposed to multiply two things. X, X is I'm writing for X. X is A into D is equal to, and Y is B, sorry, C into B. C into B. One numerator and one denominator. Okay. So now if this is the thing, then my condition is if A is, sorry, not A, X is greater than, X is greater than Y, first fraction is greater. Okay. If X is less than Y, second fraction is greater. Okay, this is the condition, very simple. So you're supposed to multiply them, and if you are supposed to find the answer. This is for this one. Okay. Okay, fine. So next we can go for, so hope you all clear in this condition. So let me write condition for inception method. Okay. So once again, I have to turn off your question box so that I can write it over there. Once again. Now here I'm writing inception. Okay, inception, you're supposed to check for A by B, comma C by D. I'm supposed to check for the percentage increase or increase, percentage increase. Then here also percentage increase. So first thing I'm supposed to check for A towards C, percentage increase, and B towards D, percentage increase. Okay, so in this, which is greater? If if the percentage increase in numerator is greater than percentage increase in denominator, second fraction is greater, else first fraction is greatest. Okay, so I wrote this both the things. If you want, you can take a screenshot or you can copy it out. Okay, got it. So that's a very simple. This is the conditions. So shall we go for next one, which is cube numbers? How to find a cube number? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Fine, super. So now we are going for cube numbers. Okay, now we are going for cube numbers. In cube numbers, we have four conditions. We have four conditions. Okay. So first condition is number should start with one. Okay, number should start with one. If numbers are starting with one, I have one condition. If number starts with two, sorry, if number ends with one, okay, one is starts with one and one is ends with one. If number starts with one and starts with one and another one is ends with one. This is two conditions and same numbers like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, same numbers and different numbers. That's it. So these are the three properties, like four properties, like different numbers means 5, 7 or 8, 2, like different numbers. Okay. So this is a simple condition. Okay, let me show it in the PPT. So this is the conditions, first four conditions. So if in this way we can, in each method we have different steps, but most probably it is similar one. Most probably it is similar one, but four conditions. Okay, each and every one will have different conditions. So first when, so we have number starting with one. Okay, number starting with one. So if it is starts with one, okay, they have given 12. Okay, so let me present it in the PPT itself. Just try to understand. If it is not clear, I will write it in the board as well. Okay, I will write it in the board as well. If you're not clear, I will write it in board because we don't have time. If I write it in board, then we can't complete this. So I will present it over here. Then, if you are still, if you can't understand that, I will start presenting there. Okay, fine. So starting with one and number ending with one. This is first condition. To second one, second property. So this is 51 they have given. Okay, we can take any number. Then same numbers. Number should be same. Okay, numbers should be same numbers. Like 11, 11, 2, 22, 20, sorry, 2, 2, 7, 7, 8, 8. Okay, next different numbers. Different numbers. 56, 74, 85, 92, like different numbers. Now we are going to see the properties of first one is 2. Okay. So before that, you are supposed to know 1 to 9 cube. I have already presented over there. So you already know all these values. So let me present it in a faster way. Okay. So these are cube values for 1 to 9. If you want, you can memorize once. I will give 2 minutes. 2 minutes. If you want, you can memorize it once. So 2 minutes. It is 7, 7. So 7, 9, we can continue again. Can just memorize this. Basically, these values are important. Like listen, wherever you go, basically like from 1 to 25 squares and 1 to 15 cubes. If you better, you can learn till 20 cubes. That is really great. So these are like very important wherever you go. Okay. Sorry. I think you all are clear with it. Okay, let us go on. Okay, let us continue with it. Okay, fine. So now we are going with the number starting with 1. So first thing, I have 12 cube. I know you all know 12 value of 12 cube, but still don't say the value. Okay. So now it is 12 cube. So if number starts with 1, right here number starts with 1. Now I'm supposed to write the number as it is. So write the given number as it is. So I'm going to write the number as it is. Now I'm going to square the 2. I'm going to square 2. I'm going to square 2 and write it next. I'm going to write it there. So square of the unit digit and write it over there. So which is 4. 2 square is 4, right? Now my next step is to write the square cube of 2. Okay, unit digit of 2. Unit digit of 2. Okay, unit digit of 2 which is nothing but 8. Okay, now I got this number. So see here, I got 4 and 2 over here, right? So I'm supposed to double these two numbers. I'm supposed to double these numbers. So if I double this, I'll be getting 4 and here it is 8. And I'm supposed to add them 8, 12, right? So 2, 1 balance. So 6, 7, 1. Okay, this is what my step. Okay, very simple. Let me present it over there. Like my hands are like always ready to write something. So now I'm supposed to double the middle number. What are the there in the middle? I'm supposed to double them. I'm supposed to double them. So double them and I'm supposed to write it over there. And now I'm supposed to add them. So 8 and here it is 12. So if I add 12, so 2 and 1 is remaining. So I have 1 over there and then it is 17, sorry, 7 and then 1 as it is. So my answer is 1728. Can you understand or not? Yes or no? Can you understand this or not? Okay, fine. So this is simple one. This is simple one which starts with 1. It starts with 1. We'll be doing this method. Okay. Now we can go for next method. Now we can go for next method which is ends with 1, which ends with 1. So same process. Whatever we are doing this, same process will be there, but small modification will be there. So here we did here see listen. So here I wrote it here. If it is 21, I'll be coming from this side. So I'll be writing here in this way. I'll be coming from this way. I'll be writing 24, right? So it is 20. So 21. So 21, 2, 1, I'll be coming from this side. Here I'm starting with this side. From when it is coming for ends with 1, I'll be coming from opposite side. That's it. So now let us see for opposite, which is ends with 1. So number, okay, again they have given starting with 1. Okay, let us see another one sum. So again starting with 1. So my first step is I'm supposed to square the value. Square the value of 9. So which is 81. So next one, cube of that number, which is 729. So write it over there. Now I'm supposed to double the middle number alone. Okay, so I'm doubling it. So now I'm supposed to add. You can ask me, sir, how can I add this number? How can I add this number? So it is directly 729. No, not like this. Which we used in, which we'll be using in GoldenEye method. There we'll be using this addition. So now see over here. So 9 and 72 will be left, which we will be sorry, we'll be using in crisscross method. So 9, 72 will be left. So again, you're supposed to add it and you'll be having last one digit, right? You'll be having last one digit here and then you'll be writing the remaining numbers here, remaining digits here. Then same step you will be following it over here. Okay. Same step you will be following here. So now 9. So 72 is remaining. Okay. Now if I add this, I'll be getting 3, 15. So 5, 31 remaining. So if I add this, I'll be getting again 58. So 8, 5 balance. So if I add this 6, 8, 5, 9. Okay, 6, 8, 5, 9. So once again, I got some question. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, Divya. Okay. So did you understand this method? So I'm supposed to write as the same, and then the remaining digits will be my the borrowing one. So it will be coming in the top. So again, I'm supposed to sum all those things. Again, the remaining will be coming to the borrow one. Then same thing, same process repeated here. Okay, can you understand or not? Can you get a quick reply? Yes or no? Did you got it or not? Yes. Okay. Super. Yamini. Okay, fine. I did not understand, sir. Explain the addition once again. Okay. Okay, fine. So let me do it for small number. Let me do it for small number. Now you are going to give value for me. Okay, not me. You are going to give value for me. So let us find for 13 cube. Okay, 13 cube. So it starts with 1, right? It starts with 1. So my first step is to write the number as same. So 13, right? So now I'm supposed to double the last number. First, double the last number. I'm supposed to write it over there. So if I double this number, I'll be getting square of 3 is 9, right? Then square cube of 3 is 27. Okay. So now I'm supposed to double the middle digits. So I'm supposed to double the middle digit. Okay. Now I'm supposed to double this number. So if I double 9, I'll be getting 18. If I double this, I'll be getting 6. So now I'm supposed to add all these values. Okay. Fine. So now my last number is going to be 7. And here 2 is there, right? This 2 will be coming over here, 2. Okay. Now 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. So 9, again 2 over here. Okay. Then 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 balance. So if I add them, I'll be getting 2. So my answer will be 2197. Did you got this addition? Did you got this addition? So first step, I'm supposed to write the number same. And first thing, I'm supposed to double the square. I'm supposed to square the value. So which is 3 square is 9. And I cube the value, which is 27. Okay. After finding 27, I'm supposed to double the middle digit. Middle one. What are the middle one? I'm supposed to double them. So which is 9 plus 9, which is 18. And 3 plus 3, which is 6. Right, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I'm supposed to add them. So 27. So 7 will be here. 2 will be the remainder. If I add this, I'll be getting 29. So 9. Again, 2 will be remainder. So if I add them, I'll be getting 11. So again, 1 is remainder. So if I add this, I'll be getting 2. Okay, the addition. So addition in which you are asking, man, like asking, yeah. Like I didn't get you where you are asking in particularly. Can you mention particularly where you are asking? This is what addition. That's it. Can you mention particularly where you didn't get it? Can you explain addition to part? Okay, you're asking this way how. So this is my this is the thing. Now I'm supposed to explain how to add this, right? So now this is the values I got, right? I got all values. Now you're asking me to find how to add this here, right? Yes or no? Can you reply for this? I want to add right now, or you are asking from the beginning. This is now if I explain how to add, that is enough, or you are asking from the beginning. From this, can I explain or from the beginning? From this, okay. See here, I have all these are different parts. You can take this all as different parts. This is one part. This is one part. This is one part. Okay. Now I'm supposed to add only these parts, and I have to get only one value here. In final, I can get how number of digits. Here I can get many digits. Even I can get 5 digits also, 6 digits also. That is fine. But when I'm adding all these things, I'm supposed to get only one digit over in these places. In these places, I'm supposed to get only one digit. Okay. So now here, if I have directly 27, so 27 means I'll be writing 7 over here, and I'll be bringing the 2 here. Okay, I'll be bringing 2 over here. So now I'm supposed to add all these 2 plus 9 plus 18. So 2 plus 18, which is 20, 20 plus 9, which is 29. So now I got 29, right? So now I have 9 in the last, so 9 will be here, and again 2 will be here. Okay. Now 3 plus 2, which is 5, 5 plus 6, which is 11. So again 1 here, I will be having 1 remaining. So now again 1 plus 1, which is 2. Got it? So that's it, very simple. So simple thing, you are supposed to understand that these all are single parts. For these three parts, you are supposed to get only one single value. You are supposed to get only one single value. Then balance all parts, you can get a number of value. Like only one part will be balanced, which is first part. There you can get number of values. There are no issues. Okay, but in this particular place, you are supposed to get only one part, only one value. Okay, let me come for that same number, which is 19 cube. Okay, so now listen over here. I'm gonna split this into four parts. So this is one part, this is one part, and now this is another one more part. So in this three part, what I'm supposed to get? I'm supposed to get a single digit value. I'm supposed to get a single digit value. So now see here, here it is 72. Sorry, 729. So I'm writing the last digit here, and I'll be bringing 72 over here. I'll be bringing 72 over here. See here. So I'll be bringing 72 over here. Right. So now if I add this number, I'll be getting one value. So I'll be getting 3. If I add 72 plus 81 plus 6, 162, I'll be getting 315. I'll be getting 315, right? So now I'll have 5 over here, and 31 will be left. Okay, 31 will be left over. Okay, the class. Okay, now I have to add this 3 is remain. So 31 is remaining. So again, I'm supposed to add 31 plus 9 plus 18. So if I add these values, what I'll be getting? So again, I'll be getting one value. One second. Yeah. So I'll be getting 58. Right. I'm getting 58. So 8 will be here and 5 will be in the top. So if I add again 1 plus 5, I'll be getting 6. So now I'll be having 6. So here I'll be getting 6 as my value. So which is nothing but 6859 is my answer. Can you understand or not? Guys, did you get this or not? Did you got it? Can I get a quick reply? Yes or no? Did you got it or not? Yes. Okay, super. Fine. Okay, guys, that's great. So we have only 6 minutes left. So we can solve the balance. I mean, balance 3 methods. We can see it by tomorrow. We can see by tomorrow. Okay. So before that, you can try one or two questions. Okay. Okay. Here it is directly coming as ending with when. Thought you will have questions in the back. Okay. So let me write questions over here. And okay, I'll write questions over here. So now you're supposed to find value for 17 cube. Find value for 17 cube. Try this and say the answer. Find value for 17 cube and say the answer. Come on, make it fast. Come on, guys, find this answer. Okay, now what is order, right? Okay. Your answer is 4913. Okay, good. Okay, Udayamadi, I have given your answer. Okay, answer is 4913. Okay, others, what about others? Are you people are calculating or you are just sitting there? Okay, fine. So now I'll give another one more question. So answer is 4913, guys, not it's 5813, it is 4913. Okay, I'll give another one more question. So solve this question. So 16 cube. Find 16 cube. Sorry, I didn't understand, Bandari, what you are trying to say. Which in which part you can't understand? Okay, fine. Bandari, like what I didn't get you in which part you can't understand. Okay, no worries. So we can start the class in tomorrow evening. So note down the doubts, whichever you have, you can ask it by tomorrow evening. Okay, I will give first 20 minutes for doubt clarification. Okay. So guys, that's it. If you have any other doubts, like leave this starting with when, still butterfly inception and square root cube root. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the chat box, or else we can wind up the session. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the question box. Guys, if you have any questions, you can put it as the question, or else you can mention it as no doubt. Are you people are there? Are you people left already? Divya, Kirtika, Rohit, Guru, you people left. Okay, fine. So you can note down your questions. You can ask by tomorrow evening.